Our world today is evolving at a faster pace than ever before due to the current geopolitical shifts, technological advancements, and new economic realities. Terrorist organizations have distorted the notion of jihad and tried to cloak their horrendous activities in the legitimacy of Islam. These non-state actors have evolved over the years and now take advantage of tensions between global players, regional power play, and weaknesses of smaller states. Our counter-terrorism campaign, the largest that any single country has undertaken, employing over 200,000 strong force, has turned the tide in Pakistan. With a year-long concerted effort, all terrorist networks were unearthed and their linkages to hostile intelligence agencies, especially RAW, were effectively seized and exposed. I must commend our intelligence agencies for capturing RAW operative Gulbishan Yadav in Balochistan, a serving Indian Navy officer. The only road to a peaceful and prosperous region runs through a stable Afghanistan, which is achievable through a comprehensive and coordinated approach and sincerity of all stakeholders. The international community will eventually have to help resolve regional conflicts and disputes, especially the crisis in Palestine, the genocide of Rohingya Muslims in Myanmar, and the Indian brutalities on Kashmiri Muslims, where tens of thousands have lost their lives. The international community, and especially the Muslim world, needs to play a constructive and urgent part in resolving these issues. The Muslim countries are facing tremendous challenges, and organized terrorism is the biggest threat to our foundation. Realizing the need of a platform for a comprehensive strategic approach against terrorism in the Muslim world, His Majesty, the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, has taken a historic and meaningful initiative of formulating an Islamic military counter-terrorism coalition. It is a matter of great honor for me to be part of this coalition as its military commander. It is heartening to inform the audience that as of now, the coalition comprises 41 Muslim countries and an earnest endeavor is being made to welcome other Muslim nations. The vision of this coalition is to have a joint capability of coordinating the efforts of the member countries in fight against terrorism with efficiency and effectiveness. I would like to make it clear that this coalition is against terrorism and not against any country, caste, sect or religion. We need to realize that our destinies are linked to each other's well-being and prosperity. God willing, together we will defeat the scourge of terrorism, building a safe and secure future for our generations to come. Thank you.